In today's video, I'll be talking about coming up with new ideas for YouTube. Hello my friends, Andy here, and once again I'm sharing beginner tips for content creators. Today I'll be giving you 5 different methods for coming up with new ideas for your channel, and hang around to the end for some bonus tips. Consistency is key to a successful channel, and one particular part of being consistent is maintaining a steady flow of new content onto your channel. Whether you're uploading multiple times a week or once a month, coming up with new ideas can be a challenge, and sometimes it can even leave us demotivated. I find that once I have a decent idea, or at least what I think is a decent idea, it's quite easy to get a good script together. It's the inspiration for the video that can sometimes be more challenging, and sometimes you can get in a rut without any ideas and struggle to push your channel forward. So here's 5 tips to help you come up with new ideas for your channel. So for the first place you should look is at your own channel. What's worked for you in the past? Is there new information, or have you refined something you've talked about in the past? Can you make a follow-up video? Can you add a part 2? Can you simply create a totally new version of a successful video for the current year? If you've been running your channel for a while, then looking at your own content can be a great source of video ideas that you know will likely resonate with your audience. I've done this on my channel with a part 2 of a successful video, and whilst it didn't do quite as well as part 1, it didn't fare too badly when looking at the bigger picture. However, if you're going to take this approach, try to create something fresh so you're not just repeating the same things over again. For tip number 2, we're going to use a very handy piece of software called vidIQ. It's a commercial product with a monthly subscription, but it does offer some basic functionality for free. I'd highly recommend installing vidIQ even if you don't intend on subscribing, because it gives you some additional tools in both YouTube and YouTube Studio. But today we're talking about video ideas, and vidIQ has a daily ideas tab that will provide you with some fresh ideas. It's limited when you're running the free version, but it should give you some basic ideas that will hopefully inspire you. It also gives you metrics on how likely these videos are to succeed, which is a massive bonus. Before I continue, if you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can follow me on my YouTube journey. For tip number 3, we're going to be asking robots for advice. ChatGPT or Bard can be great tools for feeding your creative imagination and getting new video ideas. Using AI is as simple as asking. The results you will get are likely to be quite generic, but it may give you some inspiration to try something new. If it does give you some inspiration, you can also ask it to drill down and be more specific. In some cases, it can help you write entire scripts. For tip number 4, we're going to take a cheeky look at what our competitors are doing and what has worked well for them. Go and view your competitors' pages and click the popular tab at the top. This will show you their most popular videos and how long ago they were uploaded. You should get plenty of ideas from this tip and will know exactly what's worked well in the past. Although if it's a trending topic, then you're probably going to be too late to the game. If you're inspired by your competitors, then watch their videos to get a feel for the content. Can you improve on it? Can you add a different point of view? Use it only as an idea, don't copy them verbatim, because you need to make this your own. For tip number 5, we're going back to our own channels, although this is only going to work if you've had some videos with some level of success and generated a few comments. Look at the most popular videos. Maybe you did a tutorial or something and the viewers have contradicted you or posed a strong opinion. As an example, I created a video about how to wash a motorcycle, which did very well. A lot of people chimed in the comments saying I shouldn't have used a power washer. So this weekend I'm going to be creating a video specifically about using a power washer with tips on why it's okay if you use it carefully, and point to some of the risks about using one and how to avoid them. So there's my 5 tips for helping you come up with some new ideas, and I promised you some bonus tips, so here you go. If you're creating videos on trending topics, then consider using Google Trends for ideas. You have to time trending topics well. Too early and you won't get traction, too late and you'll be lost in a sea of trend chasing creators. Look for gaps within your niche? Can you find something that's not been covered before? But be careful not to create something that's got very little interest. Think about your target audience. Could you potentially expand your subscriber base by expanding your niche slightly without confusing your existing audience? Or similarly, could you niche down further with some laser focus in a particular area of your niche? If you've got some further tips on coming up with video ideas, please leave them in the comments below. And watch this next video for more tips. And with that said, I sincerely thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.